हेलो एवरीवन। तो कैसे हो आप सब? आई होप आप सब ठीक होंगे। तो आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों को क्लास 8 इन्वायरमेंट एंड साइंस WBBSC फिजिकल साइंस में 1.3 जो एक चैप्टर है जिसका नाम है हीट, उसमें से जितने भी इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आंसर है वो सब हम लोग इस वीडियो में करेंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। Number 1. On which factor the amount of heat depends for increasing the temperature of a body? Answer. The amount of heat required for increasing the temperature of a body depends on increasing of temperature, mass of the body, material of the body. What is unit heat? Answer. The amount of heat which is required for 1 gram of pure water to raise its temperature by 1 degree Celsius is called unit heat. सो एवरीवन, नीचे फॉर्मूला दिया गया है और साइड में जो बॉक्स में फुल फॉर्म लिखा हुआ है, मतलब जो यहाँ पर फॉर्मूला है तो उसका मतलब क्या है। जैसे कि Q का मतलब है हीट ऑब्जर्व, ठीक है, वैसे ही सबका मीनिंग्स यहाँ है। नंबर 3. व्हाट इज मेल्टिंग? व्हेन आइस हैज ऑब्जर्व हीट टू कन्वर्ट इनटू वाटर बट देयर इज नो चेंज ऑफ टेम्परेचर, दिस फेनोमेनन इज नोन एज मेल्टिंग। नंबर 4. व्हाट इज मेल्टिंग पॉइंट? Answer. During melting, temperature remain constant. This fixed temperature is called the melting point. Number 5. What is solidification? Answer. A liquid gives up heat when it freezes into a solid. When a substance changes from liquid state to solid state by giving up heat, then that phenomenon is known as freezing or solidification. Number 6. During a change of state, if the volume of a substance decreases but its mass remains the same, what happened to its density? Answer. During the change of state, if the volume of a certain mass decreases, then the density of that substance increases. Number 7. What is evaporation? Answer. Evaporation is the process in which a liquid is slowly converted to its vapor. Number 8. What is boiling? Answer. The process in which a liquid changes very rapidly into its vapor is called boiling. Number 9. What is condensation? Answer. The phenomenon in which a vapor changes into liquid is called condensation. Number 10. What is cloud? A large collection of water droplets that is seen floating in the sky is called cloud. Number 11. What is conduction? Answer. When heat flows through the solid substance from one part to another part is called conduction. Number 12. What is convection? Answer. The process of transmission of heat by the movement of particles from one part to another part is called convection. Number 13. What is freezing point? Answer. Freezing point is the temperature at which a liquid becomes a solid. Number 14. What is freezing mixture? Answer. A freezing mixture is a mix of substances like ice and salt that makes the temperature very low to freeze things. Number 15. What is dew? Answer. Dew is a water drop that form on cool surfaces in the early morning due to condensation of water vapor. Number 16. Two pieces of ice when pressed together for some time form a single lump. Some of you have seen this, but why does it happen? Answer. When two pieces of ice are pressed, the melting point at the junction is lowered below 0 degrees Celsius and ice melts into water. When the pressure is withdrawn, the melting point is raised and the water immediately solidifies to ice. As a result, two pieces of ice are joined together. सो एवरीवन, आज के लिए बस इतना ही। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग बाकी के क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।